Except for car online. This is a doing a job doing the axle shaft on driver's side BMW. This is going to be this is going to be a 3 series. This is going to be the left driver's side. I meant to give you guys a shot on the passenger side, but I didn't get a chance to get to it. But either way, you can get away with this. Everybody says you got to take off take off the calipers and all that kind of stuff. But I got a trick for you guys to where you don't have to do that. Okay, so as you can see, it's the axle's done here. So we're gonna replace this. The way I'm getting to this, to save you a whole lot of time, is I'm taking off. I'm going into the side here with the tie rod, and the lower control arm. That's going to give you the play to take it out. Also, the size here on your center bolt to get the axle out is going to be a 1 3/8. So, and also the wrench to get the bolt off, to get the lower control arm and the tie rod off is going to be a 17 millimeter. So, not 17 millimeter. I'm sorry, 18 millimeter. So take these two. You got your top. You got this one here, this one here, and I'm all the way live in here. Pop these out. That's gonna give you the swing to be able to pop your axle shaft out. So let's get back to this. Let's get to it, and I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, we're back. All right, guys, we got that axle shaft in. Shout out to Detroit Axle that's playing for us. Now, last but not least, after you tighten up the center bolt, you gotta make sure you get a flathead screwdriver and dent these in. This avoids this from coming apart. Also, when you're bringing this shaft back in, I used the impact, and then I backed the impact back out and went with the torque wrench, which the torque specs on this is 300 pounds. So that's about it. I also didn't have to undo you don't have to undo the sensor, the speed sensor. You didn't have to undo it. I thought I was gonna have to at one point, but I didn't. I just had to pretty much, after I got the lower control arm and tie rod loose, I just had to move this out of the way. So I hope that helped. You're gonna be at about 20 minutes, half an hour with this. If you go my route, it's a little bit longer if you're doing it on the ground, but if you're doing it in the air, it's a lot faster. So hope that helped. So just give us a call at Help with the Car Online, area code 937-215-4388 or 313-728-4404. Check us out, helpwiththecaronline.com.